Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj Niftywala, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the technical levels that I see on the Nifty and the way forward for this month of August, and what are the possible levels that I see in the upcoming days. So, we have seen a one way rally since 22nd of April, starting all the way from the level of 14,160 level, and it has panned out in five waves, which we are seeing on the chart over here. And we are seeing now that the Nifty has stopped somewhere at the level of 16,230 level, and the last reading that I see is as of 6th August close. So I'll be talking on the basis of all the levels that I have seen so far till 6th of August. So the thing which is noteworthy over here on this chart is that Nifty did a sideways consolidation for at least 2 months, and this was in the range of 15,700 to 15,850, 15,900 odd level. This was the level that we have seen sideways, and a breakout of that level was seen on 2nd of August, and then there was one leg rally which went all the way till 16,350. So there is a euphoria in the market right now, and people are talking about the next level that will be 17,000, and that is what most of the people are thinking about. However, I feel that there has to be some kind of a technical correction before the 17,000 level can come on the charts. And the possible levels that I see over here, as you can see on the charts I have marked, are 15,830, which can be retested again, and 15,730, which can be tested. If that level is tested, and if this turns out to be a correction, then there will be a correction in the ABC format which I have marked on the chart. So you will see levels of 15,690 and 14,990 show up in the coming days. Now these are just probabilistic scenarios. There is no sure shot thing that the correction will surely happen. There is a probability of a correction happening mostly around 11th of August and 3rd of September. Now this correction can only happen only and only is if 16350 is not crossed again. If 16350 is not crossed again on a decisive basis, on a closing basis, only then you will see the correction. If 16350 is crossed, then the possible upside levels that you can see are 16525 and 16630. These are the possible upside levels. I really do not see a level of 17,000 coming in so easily without a proper and a meaningful correction. And this has been the nature of the month of August and September, wherein there has to be some kind of a meaningful correction before we see a rally, which we saw last year as well. There was a correction in the month of August and September, and then there was a rally which started from the month of November to all the way till Jan. That was the rally that we saw last year, 2020 November to Jan 2021. And this is the standard way in which we look at as a seasonality of the market. So the upcoming days, the possibility that I see is that the crucial support will lie at the level of 15,690. Once that is broken, you will see lower levels of 14,990, 14,670 and 14,480. Now that is a probabilistic scenario if there is a deeper correction that happens in the market. So the next set of days that we should now look at is 11th August and 3rd September. If you are looking at the bearish scenario, these are the dates where you can see a correction happen in the ABC format, which I have drawn over here. Again, remember the criteria is 16,350 not getting crossed on the upside on a decisive basis. That is the first criteria. Second criteria is 15835 to 1730, which is the support level, now gets broken on the decisive basis. Third criteria is 15690 also getting breached. If that gets breached, only then we could start thinking of a deeper correction which can go on in the ABC format, which can take the Nifty down to the levels of 14,990, 14,670 and 14,480 levels in the coming days, all the way till the end of the September month. This is what I am seeing as a probabilistic scenario. This is not a sure shot thing that market will correct so much. This is a probabilistic scenario looking at the technical levels and calculating the probability of how the wave format, that's the Elliott wave format, works on the technical charts. This works 60 to 70% of the time on the charts in this way. We are also seeing some kind of a topping formation over here on the RSI, which you can see over here. And if the RSI is not able to go above the level of 70 and 71 for the coming days, then it will start dropping down and it will start falling to the levels of 60 to 50. And once 60 to 50 is crossed on the downside on a swift and quick basis, then you can definitely start thinking that yes, market is really correcting and now it will go down, and market is going to show us the lower levels. So these are my technical levels, and if you wish to trade Nifty and Bank Nifty on a regular basis and you need my inputs on a daily basis, then you need to subscribe to my paid services. You can get in touch with me on the number mentioned over here, and I will be able to help you out with my plans, which you can choose from, and you can select what suits you best. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and please share this video among your friends who would benefit by trading and looking at my video, and they will definitely learn something from my technical levels mentioned over here. Thank you so much.